wintry day clean.
Hi, it's Sharon, and welcome to my channel. And today is Sunday home reset. So I'm going to start in my living room and just give it a little tidy. And I'd like to welcome you to my channel and welcome any new subscribers. Welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you're here watching my channel. And it's always nice to have a visit. So, we're just going to tidy up in here because I gave my living room a thorough cleaning a couple of weeks ago. So we just need to tidy up. And it's mostly set up for Christmas already. I have to do my tree yet. So that will be coming up in a video pretty soon. Oh, I got my deer upside down. I don't want my deer upside down. Turn my blanket around. There we go. I'm enjoying all my decor pieces and my decorations that I've put up so far for Christmas. And I've been enjoying doing this all month. All of November I've been basically decorating for Christmas. Trying to get it all ready so I can enjoy it for the month of December. Okay, there's my blanket and my cushions. And I just have a few things to put away here. Okay, that looks pretty tidy. Okay, now we're going to travel to the bedroom. You ready to get up? You ready to get up and start your day? Are you ready to get up and start your day, little buddy? Huh? Are you ready to get out of bed? Huh? I know, it's hard getting up when you're an old guy. When you're an old guy, it's hard to start. It's hard to start your day. Well, you wake up. You wake up. I'll tidy up a bit while you're waking up and then we'll make the bed. Okay? We'll tidy up. Yeah, we'll just tidy up. We'll give you a chance to wake up. That we will, that we will. Bad as a teenager here, got clothes everywhere. Those aren't dirty. Okay. Must be time to do laundry. Hold my bag up. Hold one. I'm bugging you. You can have your breakfast. You can have your breakfast, buddy. You want to have your breakfast? Yeah. You want to have your breakfast? Mm-hmm. Here, let's turn the light on just for fun. Okay, little buddy, you got to get up. Let's go. Let's go. I know it's hard. Bedroom's still pretty darn clean. Pretty greens and creams and white. Okay. That's the bedroom all tidied up. Doesn't take long. Take you over to the window and you can see all the pretty snow. All the pretty snow. Oh, there's Buddy. Today we are going to tackle the kitchen, give it a good clean. I've already done the floors, vacuumed and did the floors, and I'm going to do some Christmas decor in here. I put up my wreaths, and you can see all that pretty snow out there. Put my dough bowl on the table. I'll just clear some stuff off and give it a wipe down. Forward and wipe it back here. Okay. Now, that's what I'm going to have on my kitchen table for the Christmas season. I think that looks nice. That's done. Okay, I'm going to give everything a spray and a good wipe down. We got lots of crumbs, and our backsplash needs to be wiped down. So give it a spray. And we'll wipe it down. I think I'll start up here. Now we'll put our two-tier tray back. And that looks nice. Need to get some more paper towel for my paper towel holder. This needs to be put that in the sink to wash. And this is the little truck with your Christmas tree, and I bought that. Okay, this is all nice and clean. Okay, let's put the coffee pot back where it belongs. Give it a little wipe down. Now, I'm going to pull this stuff out and give it all a good wipe too. And clean the backsplash. Okay, I got a clean dish rag, and I'm going to start doing these dishes. Okay, first thing I'm going to wash.
Well, wouldn't it be fantastic if we could just do our chores as fast as we can make them go on our videos? I would love this. I'd probably keep my dishes done up if I could. Anyhow, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and say hello if you're new, or even if you're not new, say hello. I like to know who's out there watching. And if you have a friend that might enjoy this content, please share. Anyhow, big thank you for clicking on my video today. I hope your day is going well, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. I'm just letting the dishes air dry. And I also cleaned my stove off and set it up and put a little thing on there for Christmas. This is David's dad's cup that he used when he was in the war. It's a tin cup, and I think it's really cute. And I made those little gingerbread guys, and I thought they were cute, and they kind of remind me of David's mom and dad, so I stuck them in the cup. Well, I got the living room, the bedroom, and the kitchen all cleaned up for another Sunday home reset. Just doing the last little bit. I'm giving the kitchen floor a sweep. And then I'm going to sit down and have a nice coffee and a rest after all this work. Anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope you subscribed and liked and commented. And I'd like to invite you back to my next video, which will be Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Come and see what we all get into. It's a great way to get little chores done and very satisfying. Okay, we'll see you again. Bye.